Hi, I'm Dawn Chubai. I'm a national TV home shopping host who's been in the broadcast industry for over 2 decades, and I want your business to thrive. Whether you sell your products using strictly e-commerce or you have a physical store, live stream shopping has proven to be an incredible way to sell product in ways that connect you to your customer beyond the point and click, all while building brand loyalty. Done right, you can bridge the gap between online and in-person shopping while creating an incredible shopping experience for your customer. Now, this all sounds really modern, and of course the technology to do it certainly is, but the truth is, TV home shopping networks have been doing this selling through the screen thing for over 40 years, and it's what I do for a living as a TV home shopping host. HSN, QVC, Shop HQ, and TSC, these are just a few of the home shopping networks in North America alone that have been using various live stream shopping and video platforms separate from their live broadcasts. It's a way to connect with both new customers and even their existing customer who isn't in front of the television the way they used to be and is now shopping from their computers and handheld devices. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest, they're all getting in on the action, which is making it even easier for you and your business to get your product into hands and homes. But before you go live, I want you to consider something. Who is going to present your product? Who will be your host? Well, there are a few ways that you can go with this. You can present it yourself, you can use an influencer, an ambassador, and you can even hire a professional live stream host. But whoever you decide to use, remember that your host can make or break your live shopping event. This is a highly specialized way of selling. You're doing it through a screen. Coming up later in this video, I have a few tips to get you started if your event is right around the corner, so hang on tight. But just remember, everything you do has to resonate with a shopper who cannot touch, taste, or try on your product. It's not enough to just read through the list of features and benefits. Whether shopping, using their phone, tablet, or computer, your potential customer has to actually feel as though they are touching the product. And your host needs to help them see the feel. Your live stream host and their credibility is key to establishing trust and ultimately a rapport with your customer. In my research of e-commerce and the barriers to customer conversion, the lack of trust is what stops a person from buying products online and heading in-store instead. A shopper has to trust that the item they're normally trying on in store will fit and feel the way the website says it will. They sometimes need more information that isn't easily available online, so they hesitate because they don't trust what they can't confirm with their senses. They have questions, and they want to ensure those questions are answered before they buy. And that's just one of the factors that might make it harder to convert a shopper to online. Many shoppers love going into a physical store not only to connect with their favorite salesperson, but also reap the benefits of a sensory experience. That's why I said it's really important to get the right host to represent your brand at a live stream or video shopping event. Your host, whether it's you or another representative, can help create an in-store experience using specialized language and demonstration techniques, all through a screen using various video commerce tools out there. The big home shopping networks are using them, so can you. Successful video shopping events have a flow, a formula that takes a shopper on an exciting journey that inspires them to buy. And keep in mind, this applies to all live stream and virtual shopping events. It applies if you're in a big studio like I am, or if you're filming from your closet or your living room. Your intro, your pitch, and your specific placement of calls to action, they all contribute to making that sale. And how you demonstrate and describe your products is critical in the live stream shopping space. Before I give you a few tips that you can incorporate right now or on your next social selling platform, I want to remind you that you can find me at livesellingSchool.com. I offer one-on-one coaching, corporate workshops, and even online courses that will teach you how to create a show flow and how to essentially sell like a home shopping host. In the meantime, here are a few things that you can try for yourself right now. Tape yourself selling your product using your phone. Do a 2-minute presentation of one product, and yes, use a timer. Did you look comfortable? Did you know where to look and what to do with your hands? How is your pacing? What does your voice sound like? Have you worked out your product demonstrations? Are you showing all the details that matter to your customer? Using props and set up your lighting. Watch it back. Would you buy from yourself? Show your video to a trusted friend. Ask them to be honest. If you're planning to sell on social in the near future, be sure to practice. Practice, then practice some more. You only get one chance to make a first impression, and regardless of whether you work with me or not at livesellingSchool.com, I want you to do well. So my advice? Don't treat this like a regular social media post or a live feed where you might wing it to promote your product. This might work for overall visibility, but I really want you to create an experience with the intention of making a sale. You need to be intentional with every aspect of your event. For me, I would try to keep this mindset with both your live stream selling and even your social media videos. Check out the various TV home shopping networks and see how they sell their products that are similar to yours. You can really learn a lot while watching professionals. Now, watching these networks, it won't help you get comfortable on camera, but you will quickly realize the importance of the host-customer relationship. You will also notice that it's not just about showing and telling. Shopping on TV, live stream, and video is also meant to be entertaining. If someone enjoys watching your presentation, they're going to stay tuned longer. The longer they're there, the more likely they are to add to cart and come back for more. I wanted to offer this video to you because I don't want you to go in cold. These are tips that you could use right now if you have something like a Facebook Live or another type of virtual shopping event that's already booked in the very near future, and I definitely hope this makes you feel more comfortable. But for the rest of you still watching right now, you acknowledge the undeniable benefits of live stream shopping. You want to be part of the future of retail, but you really want to get it right. You've invested in your business, creating your products, curating your online store, and maybe sacrificed everything to get your product to market. You know, I work with vendors every day who rely on the specialized skills and techniques that we use every single day as home shopping hosts. In fact, home shopping networks train their vendor representatives the very same techniques I'm ready to share with you. I can do it one-on-one as corporate workshops, and with online courses that are perfect for small businesses, creators, artists, and even influencers who want to add additional layers to their services. I started LiveSellingSchool.com to empower individuals and businesses to get the tools needed to stay in the game. If you're using or want to use live stream selling as your e-commerce competitive advantage, then it only makes sense that you invest in the tools to truly give you that upper hand in this extremely competitive space. Let me help you do what I do. Meet me at LiveSellingSchool.com.